Okay, so this is to show you how we take care of our budgie cage. This is their food, which we keep in the fridge and it's marked, and this is their clean water, which we get from the special water faucet at the sink. This is a squirt bottle filled with just good water, Clorox wipes, and paper towels. The first thing we do is we come over and take out their old water, set it aside, and we take out their old food as well. And if you want to, every day, if you want to, once their food is out, you can give them a little shower. And they love it. I'm just gonna squirt them to show you. This is just plain water, okay? And then, open the door. Step number 2, remove this pole, set it down catty corner, pinch the side of the cage, and just set it there. Go back to the top, and close the door. Go back to the top, and very carefully pull it out from the opposite side and set it aside. And that's it, so there. Then you want to take the Clorox wipes, and I always put a paper towel down on the table just in case. We don't want to disinfect. We don't want to infect the table with any kind of bacteria or anything. You're going to disinfect the perch, and then when you put the cage back, you're going to disinfect the other 2 perches. But we'll just set this right here. You're going to tilt this up, and if you want to wear gloves, I understand, but you tilt this up and clean off all the bird poo-poo and disinfect it. And once the seeds are all off of it, you can actually take it into the shower and shower it if you like. But it's not necessary every day. But if it seems to be really dirty, then that's a good thing to do. We just want to make sure all the poo-poos are off, and then we set that down to one side as well. Then, since this is wet, you can just scoop it right up, like so. Put it into the trash. Take your wipers again. Disinfect the tray. And clean out all of the seeds and the dander. And you'll notice that there's an air cleaner in behind. We'll show you how to pull the front off of that and clean it. And it does need to be vacuumed out every single day, because it collects a lot of the bird dander. And when you're done, you put it back so that 3 lights are showing, and it's not too noisy that you can't talk in the same room. And then we dry. And yet it really is amazing how much dander and feathers that it collects in a day. You would be quite surprised. I've already ripped off 3 sets of paper towels. There are 4 half sheets on one side, 4 half sheets on the other side, and then you take your grill and put it back in. I didn't clean it as well as I usually do because I didn't want the video to be too long. And set this back in place. Pick the birds up. On the left side, you want to put them in the little slots. Put your hand inside so you don't pinch your fingers. Pull this back and it falls right in. Put this back into place. And they always say thank you. Yes. Of course, because I'm trying to do a video, it's not working there. And then you replace with new water. Clean food in a clean dish. I also dry their mirror off for them. And I usually disinfect the other bars if you see anything on them. If this is soiled, take it out and exchange it with a clean one. This is a little clip to give them a treat. They love broccoli mostly, and they're done. And when you're done with that, you come over here, push them out of the way. Be careful to hold the cage and the table at the same time. Shut this off. Take the front off. The vacuum needs to be aimed away from the bird cages or else everything goes flying. And you just clean this off. See how much stuff is on it? And this slides right back into place. Turn it on. And 3 lights here should be showing, and that's all there is to it for the budgie cages.